This is a zucchini plant in my sister's veggie patch, and it's covered, well, not covered, but it's host to lots and lots of these awesome yellow lady beetles, ladybugs, depending on what school you went to. They love this zucchini plant. They're all over it. Another one there. Here's a couple that look like they're making more little yellow lady beetles. See, the male is the little guy and the female's much bigger, and he's finished doing his business and ran away on his little beetle legs. Lots of them on this zucchini plant. Beautiful. They're all over it. It's interesting. There's really, literally hundreds of them on here. And that's your yellow lady beetles. Yellow and black, I should say. There's no red ones on here, or orange. They're all yellow and black. Well, there's one for your insect lovers anyway.